Hello Stampers, and thank you so much for joining me today for another Stampin' Sunday video. This is Laura Buechler of Inkyfingers Papercrafting, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Nanaimo, BC. Today I'm going to show you this absolutely gorgeous paper from the Sale-a-Bration brochure, Simply Marbleous. You can get this paper free with your $60 purchase until February 28th or while supplies last. This 6x6 inch paper stack has so many different colors in it, and the designs are so rich and gorgeous. Each sheet comes with two designs. On one side is this stunning marble pattern. It looks like stone that's ready to be carved or sculpted. The other side, to me, it looks like silky smooth fabric as it drapes gracefully on a figure. There is so much possibility with beautiful paper like this. You can do so many different things with it. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy card with this paper. Because with paper this gorgeous, you really don't have to do very much to create a card that's absolutely stunning. I've already used the potted succulents dies from the annual catalog along with the adhesive sheets to create this striking negative image from black cardstock. Now I'm going to peel off the backing from the adhesive sheet and attach to the DSP. I'm going to cut a tasteful label shape from black and from white cardstock. I'll stamp my sentiment on the white cardstock. This sentiment is from the Friendly Hello stamp set, another free Sale-a-Bration item. I'm going to layer my white label on top of the black, and then trim them to fit on the side of the card. And there's my finished card. Remember that you'll get a chance to win this card when you share the video. Leave a comment below to let me know that you've shared, and maybe I'll be sending you this card in the mail. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. I really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please drop me a comment below and let me know what you think. And if there's something specific that you'd like to learn about, just ask. Remember that you can purchase all the products shown on my website, inkyfingers.ca, where you'll also find my event calendar, project tutorials, current promotional details and catalogs, and the sign up for my email newsletter. Have a great day, everyone, and happy stampin'! Bye!